So, hi, welcome to my channel. This is Jude, but this is the Jack and the Baby show. That's usually my learning show. Well, actually, this time it's Jack and the Baby cooking show. You know. Today we are gonna be making peanut butter oatmeal cookies. We have half a cup of oatmeal, half a cup of sugar, half a cup, one peanut butter, one egg. All right, guys, let's get right into it. So, guys, before I forget, make sure to set the oven to 350 degrees. All right, it's time to mix. Here we have, first we're gonna add the sugar and the oatmeal. And so, let's do it. Whoa! Isn't that amazing, guys? Whoa! Have you ever seen a kid do this all by himself? Alright, now next we add the oatmeal. That's what we're gonna do right now. Make sure to get help from an adult with the egg. I got help using the egg, and now it's my turn to mix in all the ingredients. Let's watch. Last, we're gonna add the peanut butter. Now, as you see, all our ingredient is in the bowl. And this is very hard because this stuff is sticky. And kids usually makes it very slow because they're not very strong. So this is how you do the cookies. Don't be afraid to ask your parents for help. I'm just joking. Here are my cookies now. I just did it. Wasn't that difficult for me. And now we're gonna put them in the oven for for 10 to 12 minutes. We put them in the oven for 15 minutes. That's what we turn out to put them in. And if you want to try out these recipes, let me know and enjoy. So don't forget to subscribe. Come back for more videos.